Hi, so I'm heading up to one of the cosmetologist schools to get my nails done. So instead of going to a salon that's gonna charge, I don't know, I've never gotten my nails done. So I just seen like the signs and I've looked at prices. It's upwards to $65 to have gel polish on. So I'm gonna go up to the school and I'm gonna see how good a job they can do, and then I'll post it and I'll show you that saving money can be super easy, but you just have to look into it a little bit. Follow me. I'll show you more tips on how to save money and get beautiful at the same time. All right, bye.